This is already started. Hello there. Here in this video, I'm going to show you how to. No. I'm going to show you that about VPC network. Here I'm going to show you about controlling access on the VPC network. The scenario for this is the scenario for this. Is we are going to create one VM, two web server, and we are going to create two means NGINX web server, and we control an external HTTP access for that web server using our firewalls, using tagged firewall rules. Yes, and after that we are going to create a service account with IAM roles and setting up the permission for network admin and security admin roles. Alright, then let's just get started. First, sorry, I'm going to have the Windows before that because I'm going to log in else. I'm going to log in using the account I got there. Okay, we are going to log in the meantime. First, let's just create a web server here. As usual, after I log in, this page is kind of buggy for me because I have to reload. I don't know. Now let's creating a VM instance for our web server. We just name it Blue. So cool, right? Blue. Okay, now we are going to setting up some networking here. We're going to give the networking here because we are going to explore the firewall with tagged rules. We have to give some specific tag for this web server. We are going to give this tag web server. And yeah, that's very much it. We should allow HTTP traffic because we're going to use this as an HTTP server. Yeah, let's leave everything as it is. This is going to be online in a second. Okay, now we are going to creating a new server. We need green. Let everything as the same. Low SSD traffic and networking also. Give same tag here. Yes, this is my first instance, VM instance already online. The second one isn't online, so let's just SSA to our server and install some NGINX server. Okay, I'm sorry, the mic going to be yeah, that's okay, now we are going to install some NGINX web server. As usual, we have to sudo and apt get install NGINX like Yes. Let's going to install NGINX right on our system, and now open the home page, welcome page for our web server. It's on the directory for www and html index. Sorry. We're going to change this to, let's just say, this server. Control X, yes, enter. Now let's just exit because we are done here. Now SSH to our green server. Okay, install as we are doing on the blue server. apt-get install NGINX like like and we are going to do the same, changing the home pages to HTML. Here, change this to welcome to green server. Control X, Y, enter. Oh my god, I'm sorry. You should do this in super user. Welcome to the green server. Okay, now we are doing fine. You can exit this terminal session. Now we are going to creating a firewall for our VM in the VPC firewall rules. We are going to creating a firewall based on tag. Hello HTTP web server. This is our name for the firewall we are using. Priority, let's leave everything and make sure this specific target web server, because we are giving the target for our web server. IP ring, just make sure everything checked. And don't forget this one. I think sorry. Don't forget HTTP is on the port 80, and we're done. Yes, we are done. Now let's test our VM. Not really test our VM. We are making a new VM for testing our firewall. This is going to take a while for connecting. Okay, this is already done. Now we are going to create a new Google Compute Engine, Google Compute Engine instance instance, we name it test VM for our convenience, and we specify the machine type is F1. This is the machine type that the smaller form factor. Subnet is just default, and the zone is US 701A. Okay. The cloud instant. I forget to state the most the, the most important part of this command is create. Yes, people do forget something. Take a while for this. Actually, we already we can be able to see what I'm just creating here. Okay, this one is still in progress. Let's test the connectivity. Let's take a while. Sure, just be patient. You can sing or whatever you want. This going to take a while. Less than 1 minute. 1 minute. Come on, come on. Fast. Okay. Yeah, we're done. Now let's test the HTTP connectivity from our instance, from this VM instance. By the way, if you click this, welcome to the blue server, welcome to the green server. Well, here it has different. Yes. Yes. Okay. Now let's try the connection from our blue server. Here you can say welcome to blue server. And we also want to check connection to the green server. Both of them are working fine. Okay. Now check from the internal. Let's check it from the internal IP. This should be working anyway. Take a while. Probably not working. I know. Seems not working as I expected. Yeah, well, there's some problem here. Let's figure it out. Shall we? Shall we? Yes, we should. The problem probably on firewall. And or internal IP address. ICMP, this is correct. Okay, just let it be like that, and we're going to our next step is um, let's see about the firewall rules are on our from the perspective of view of our test VM firewall rules is mm, allow HTTP server, web server, TCP, ICMP. Why this is happen? Um, I yeah, you can see here a lot of rules. Mm, um, I don't know. Let's just making a new. This is suddenly like this by default. Um, I got a problem here. Let's see. Few instance. Already got the service account. Okay, I am. Now we are getting new rules for network admin and system admin service account, and we are going to create a new account. Um, we are going to create a new service account, and uh, network admin. Um, and select a role. The role is going to be Google Compute Engine. Uh, Administrator admin, and create key. We are going to create a JSON key. Save it on local. The network admin role provide permission. By the way, Yes, the role of network admin is provide permission to discoverable rules. We are going to return to our SSA. Oh, I see, man. The problem is that we are no. For instance, I know the problem. The problem is that I should SSA from here to see that I'm incapable of accessing another resource like this one. If I haven't give this an access or cloud computing. Um, whatever it is, we close. Active it. This on the file. Wait a minute. I should have upload file. It's on download. Yes. This is not free. Quick lives not using. Okay, now we are activated our credential. Now compute firewall. Now we are on this list. Let's see here that we see some of our firewall rules, and this one that we have created: deny, false, disable default network ingress, and etc. Okay, now what we've learned is that by default, VM instance doesn't have authorization to access, even to just see the network the firewall is um, okay, now we are going to add new roles. uh, we're going to changing the roles of our sorry, for our admin. I'm sorry. The sun. Um, now we are going to changing the roles for our admin. Um, how to see our admin here. Network admin. Let's just change the role. We're going to change the role to computer security admin. Now, with that said, we can bring this, and you can see that the network is default. Yes, disabled false. Yes, this is working. And even now we can delete some firewall rules, like I'm going to demonstrate here. Compute firewall rules, delete, allow HTTP web server. Yes. See, we now can delete a firewall rules. Great, right? And see, deleted. Now we are going to see that if we is that our instance having access to this one. Yes, just like that, we're done. Now what we've learned is that what we learn, we are able to give some permission to particular VM access. Uh, we can give roles for pretty much every specific task that we want it to be. Yeah, that's what Google gives to you. Well, happy, enjoy your new skill. See you there. Bye.